A superior dining chair demands absolute manufacturing precision. Welcome to our advanced production facility. The process initiates with our automatic perforating robotic arms. Operating with high precision, these systems drill the wooden seat boards, ensuring exact alignment for all screw holes and guaranteeing structural integrity during assembly. Our automatic welding robots execute the metal framing. They deliver seamless high-strength welds, eliminating structural vulnerabilities and ensuring long-term durability in high-traffic environments. In the textile zone, bulk fabric cutting machines process materials with engineered efficiency. This maintains strict uniformity in fabric, grain, and texture across large-scale production runs. Assembly integrates advanced tooling with skilled oversight. Each chair undergoes meticulous construction and rigorous quality control inspections. Packaging utilizes heavy-duty protection protocols engineered for global logistics, ensuring products arrive in your hands in pristine condition. Precision engineering. Industrial efficiency. Building your next bestseller.